This is a sneak preview, so we'll have a look at the new RPM meter. In total, 8 centimeters. Look at how they changed this interior. High resolution screen. So on ergonomic levels, they're really... Well, hello there, new fresh BMW 3 Series. What's up guys, and welcome back to a new sneak preview of this 2019 new BMW 3 Series. BMW Netherlands gave me the opportunity to give you guys a sneak preview of this car. So we're limited on time, still a bit limited on info. But we have here a 320 diesel engine with a new chassis, new features, the new interior of the current new models, just like the X5. And also the 8 Series, as you saw at my Le Mans video of the sneak preview. So let's start on the exterior, do a quick walk in the interior, and let me show you a few of the new features of the new 3 Series. So normally on the inside series we have a full spec option list with prices. But this is a sneak preview, so we'll have a look at all the features. So first of all, we have that new front design. You see we have that, well, you can call it a single grille because it's one piece, but the kidneys are actually now active, just like the 5 Series. We have a color chrome with black. They have a little front camera, and yeah, these kidneys are really in your face and really getting a lot of attention on that front look. On the headlights, still the hexagon design, but a little bit modded. Inside you can see the LEDs, and on the outside that hexagon design, really nice. And if you see the blue lines, you know we're talking about laser lights. Also down here on the new bumper, nice chrome design here. So they have fitted this one with individual wheels, a new set of wheels with measures of 225, 40, 19 inch. Dual tone, black with some satin silver. So on the side, well, this looks like a 5 Series mirror with a camera, part of the 3D camera, 360 camera. This one has a chrome trim. So the car has grown in total 8 centimeters. So that's, yeah, that's a lot on the total measures. Rear wheel sizes also 225, 35, 90 inch. No, this is not the X4, but it is the X4 3D light design. Look at how those LED bars are sticking out, starting at the side all the way to the center, with that current identity of the BMW X4, for example. This is, by the way, standard, so all 3 Series now get a blacked out rear light with that big LED bar. Also here below we can see that we have 2 split exhausts, and from now on not only the 6 cylinders will have split exhaust on the left and on the right, but also the 4 cylinders. Rear camera, and again, just like the front, those chrome new design strips. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is important to mention, this is a pre-production model. That means this car won't get through the production. However, it's almost identical to a production model. Okay, let's have a look at the rear trunk. So this is the key, a new key for the 3 Series. There we go. Oh, that's a big size. I can fit in here, and also my bag for a week holiday. Also controls to close this automatically. So yeah, definitely a serious functional trunk. Let's pop the hood. Let's have a look at the engine. It's time to get inside. Let's close this. Okay, it's time to get in. Let's have a look what they have changed on that new interior. First, have a close look at the doors. We have black and brown leather with dark brown stitching, if I'm right. Look at the door handle. This is also hexagon, so we can see that they used hexagon also in the interior lines. Memory seats, cool metal bar with ambient lighting. The Harman Kardon audio speaker definitely has grown. It's like 50% of the door. Some extra spaces. The door sills. Electronical seats. Brown leather. Ah, it's blue stitching. Now we see it. Okay, the entrance test. Wow, that was easy. Getting in is really easy. Welcome inside the new 3 Series. When driving this new 3 Series, this is your point of view. Look at how they changed this interior. Wowzers. So first of all, what do we see? So we have a really square design, more square. This is also a little bit hexagon design. Also the new sat-nav system. Look at the speedometers. Okay, let's start. So these are the new light buttons. We have one button for the light switch, automatic lights. The left vent now also with a new touch and a new design, also that square, and here the hexagon design. There in the center, one big speaker unit, and here continuing to the passenger side with a little slim trim. Okay, steering wheel, well, also a bit redesigned, definitely. But this reminds me of the 5 Series and the X3s. So here you have the buttons for the adaptive cruise control. And here your media buttons, like your volume and your telephone options. Little button for the heated steering wheel. All black leather, and also in the center, this is leather. It's nice. Shift pedal, shift down, shift up. And the new cockpit, totally redesigned. I'm not driving. This is current, the demo mode. So here on the left you see the new speedometer, and here on the right you see the new RPM meter, also hexagon design, and now in sport mode because that's the red color. Here in the center you will see all your sat-nav info. This is us on the GPS. Great job BMW. Compliments. Let's have a look at the new center console. First of all, we have the new fresh iDrive 7, if I'm right. But of course this is a touchscreen. Really high resolution screen. And also again here we can see that square design that's really ruling this interior. Climate system is welcome with a big trim of metal. And in the center with the vents also that metal trim with a good firm touch for the right and the left vent, button for intelligent safety, and here controls for the climate system. Here below, still just like BMW used for the last years, controls for the radio with the presets, volume button, firm touch, And this, well, the big center lower console, wireless charging, 2 cup holders, USB input, 12 volt. And this, the new gear knob with the iDrive button. It's now one big unit instead of 2 separate units. So we have the gear knob with the car programs and the iDrive buttons integrated in one unit. So on ergonomic levels, they really improved this. Okay, this is wood. Here in the armrest, the big extra space, USB-C input. All right, the new 3 Series interior front. Wow, good job guys. Really, I like the design, really the square design, and I really have a feeling they changed like the new character of a new model. So I'm really having the feeling I'm sitting like in a total new model. Okay, it's time to get in the rear seat. So let's have a look at the rear space, because the new 3 Series has grown in total 8 centimeters. Okay, let's have a look at the rear seats. Whoa, this already looks really big. So in the doors again, that nice shape, just like the front door with that metal trim, ambient light, big new design of the Harman Kardon audio system, door handle with that hexagon design, and also in this speaker design hexagon, nice. The brown with the black leather. Ooh, this looks and feels big, guys. If you're a passenger, this is your point of view. Really nice view on the new dash. Two cup holders, nice armrest, nice ambient light designed in that metal trim. Little climate system here and 2 USB-C inputs, powered by the way. 12 volt input. And yeah, I don't know if you can see it quite well, but I have still some space left, and definitely here at my legs. Here I have a lot of space, so yeah, I can really notice that the car has grown in size. Alright guys, real premiere again. Check the new BMW 3 Series. This, don't forget, a pre-production model, but still like almost identical as a production model. I would like to say thank you for watching this world premiere. If you need any info, check out my socials below. And of course, I will do a full inside series on the new 3 Series when all the other models and the M model, of course, are coming out. For now, I would like to say thank you for watching, and I will see you definitely on the next video. Ciao!